Hello Udemy, I am Shahzad Ahmad from Shekzi.com and welcome in lecture number 17. Today we are going to learn how can you create the list group and what is the list group. So go to your documentations. They are saying list groups are flexible and powerful components for displaying not only simple list of elements but complex one with custom content. So this is the basic documentations, or you can see basic definitions they are saying. So basic examples: the most basic list group is simple and unordered list with list elements. Okay, for now, how can you create? Just a second, I'm going to comment this all of code so you can easily know what's going on here, and you need to. Okay, so now below this sections I'm going to create, for suppose, make sure we have attached our bootstrap files and we have attached our style.css file inside our index.html file. Make sure we keep or we downloaded the bootstrap setup, and we have our bootstrap setup inside our E drive. Okay, so now we have a HTML file, we have a logo, we have a style.css file, and we have a bootstrap setup. In the bootstrap setup we have CSS, fonts and JS folders. Okay, so ignore these three divs. First of all, ignore these three divs. I'm saying call MD6. Okay, ignore these three divs because you don't know about these three divs. Just consider this. Okay, so I'm saying that how can you create your list group? First of all, create your UL, then you need to create the LIs, of course, and then the class of your UL is list group. And now you are saying list group, the class list group item. Okay, so what are your items? For suppose I'm saying this is PHP, and you need to control D. I'm cloning PHP, for suppose JavaScript, and I'm saying AngularJS, and now I'm saying bootstrap. Go to your page, refresh the page, you have your list items, now. So in this way you can create your list item. For suppose in the list item you want to specify the lectures as well. For suppose I have 70 lectures inside my PHP, 80, 90 and 100 lectures in my bootstrap section. So how can you create like this? I'm saying inside my list item, I'm saying I have a span. Now I am saying I have a bash. Now I'm saying 70. Copy this bad boy and paste this bad boy here as well, and here as well, and you need to change the, for suppose 80, for suppose 70, 55, and I'm saying we have 44 lectures, we have 66 lectures. Okay, go to your page, refresh the page. So now you can see you have your badges like this. So in this way you can create the list group. So first of all, if you want to add the active class, first of all you are saying the PHP is active. So how can you do that? You just need to add the active class, active. Refresh. So now you can see customer or your client is on the PHP sections, or this is the active. For suppose you need to add, remove this. For suppose you need to add the active class here. So you can see the active class here. For suppose you are using jQuery, and if someone click on the PHP sections, you can active this. If someone want to click the JavaScript section section, you can just add the class as well. So in this way you can create the classes inside your list group. For suppose if you want to deactive something or disable something, you need to add the disabled class. So you can see this item is disabled. So it's totally depend upon you, and it's totally depend upon your need. So first of all, you have list group. For suppose you want to add the color similar to buttons, for suppose warning, info, danger. What you need, you just need to add an extra class. Which extra class? I'm saying list group, and now I'm saying list group, list dash group dash item dash info. Refresh the page. So now you have your sky blue color, and if you want to add, just copy these sections or just go to your page, press your control and hit the space button. So now you can see you have different classes. You can see you have your info, and now I'm saying list group. Now you have your danger, you have your success, or you have your warnings. Totally depend upon you which class you are using. You can just copy these sections, paste these sections here, and you need to change this as well. And I'm saying danger. Refresh. So now you have these classes. You can see success. Refresh the page. So now you have embedded these classes as well. So it's totally depend upon you. If you want to customize these allies or the colors, or you can customize this what you need, you just need to add your predefined class inside your any ally. For suppose XYZ or something like this. Go to your style, call this here, and just change background color olive, add not important. So you can see you have just added background color, or I'm saying just background. Refresh the page. So now it's not working. Okay, what you need, just click on this. It has active class. So now you can see they are saying the color is this is your color, and background color is this. So what you need to specify the background color, I'm saying red. So you can see in this way you can change your content as well. So it's totally depend upon you. So you have covered how can you create your list group in using Twitter Bootstrap. So I think this is enough for today. So thank you for watching.